Hey guys, Ben Finley here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Today we're going to look at the 2026 Boston Weather 325 Conquest. We'll start right back here in the cockpit. First thing you'll notice is the pearl white Mercury 400 V10 engines. Great top end as well as cruising boat. Here we'll have the rear seat, which we can tuck away for fishing, and also holds your dive ladder for your large dive door here. Swings out of the way, stimulus in and out of the boat. I have two in-deck fish boxes here in the cockpit as well, and access to your bilge. As we move up here towards the helm, we'll step into the cabin and see what the helm has to offer. Now that we're in the cabin of the 325 Conquest, you'll see our forward berth here. Table's converted now, push this down, fill it for a bed. Also have an aft berth. Here we'll have accordion countertops with a electric cooktop, microwave, and right over here on the starboard side, you'll have a stand-up head and a toilet. We'll come back up here towards the helm. Here at the helm station, you'll have twin 16-inch Simrad displays. Right now we have our engine data and chart, put tides, everything you need for the day right here at the helm, along with your electric controls and your joystick piloting. Over here to the port side, we have several different things we can do here. Right now, we'll have the table up. If you push your mezzanine seat back and down, this fills all the way across. All right, now we're up here on the bow of the 325 Conquest. You notice our full windshield up front, protected from the wind and the spray. Also our large sun lounge and access to your windlass anchor up front. Ben Finley here at MarineMax Panama City Beach. For more details on this boat, give us a call or come by today.